Shurooq is an ISO 9001 certified company in the field of steel fabrication and machining, providing quality solutions to various customers in the field of power generation, aerospace, oil and gas, and other general mechanical engineering industries. As part of our process, we are supposed to move around with the different type of parts, sometimes heavy and sometimes light fabricated and assembled components. We initially faced several problems when it comes to efficient usage of material handling equipment, and that is when we realized that we need to invest on overhead carriage cranes for our different manufacturing and production processes. The material handling systems used in job shops tended to be all operator driven, and an operator normally would need to run the machines. He or she would be responsible for advancing and staging material as well as discharging it to appropriate locations throughout the shop floor. That is where the role of industrial cranes comes into play. Industrial cranes provide operators with safe and efficient ways to lift and move materials during their production and manufacturing processes. If not done properly, this will create further bottlenecks in manufacturing processes and affect the material workflow. Once we narrated our problems to the Konecranes representatives in the region, they were quick to offer us CXT type EOT cranes that offer maximum and efficient use of floor space and efficient and safe material handling technique. We are very happy with our investment so far, and we are planning to add more machines in the near future. Konecranes will be our natural choice for the above material handling requirement. We are convinced that our association with Konecranes is a step in the right direction, and we are excited to count them as one of our preferred partner companies, and we intend to continue this partnership in future as well. Thank you.